told you that some of the most creative fashion ideas are hiding in the clothes you already own. Today, we're diving into some incredible upcycling clothing ideas I found while scrolling Pinterest. And a few of these transformations are so clever that you'll be looking at your closet completely differently by the end of this video. From DIY clothing makeovers and thrift flip inspiration to creative sewing projects that turn ordinary garments into something unique. These upcycled clothing ideas are packed with inspiration for anyone who loves sewing, refashioning clothes, sustainable fashion, DIY fashion, thrifted transformations, and giving old clothes a brand new purpose. If you'd like to see the inspiration behind today's ideas, I've linked the Pinterest board in the description below so you can review the projects and patterns for yourself. As we go through these upcycling ideas, let me know which transformation is your favorite, because once we reach 100 votes, I just might recreate the winning project in my own style right here on MIZ Angela Sawyer. Some of these ideas are surprisingly simple, some are incredibly creative, and a few are so unexpected that you'll be wondering why nobody thought of them sooner. So grab your coffee, grab your imagination, and let's see what happens when old clothes get a second chance to become something amazing. One of the things I love most about upcycling clothes is what I call the reinvention habit. The more you practice turning old garments into something new, the more you start seeing possibilities everywhere. A worn shirt stops being a worn shirt. A dated dress stops being a dated dress. A jacket with a stain becomes a future project, waiting for a little imagination. That shift is powerful because it teaches us to look beyond first impressions. Most people see a pile of old clothes and think about what should leave the closet. Someone with the reinvention habit starts asking a completely different question. What could this become next? That question is where creativity begins. It is also where some of the funniest discoveries happen. A pair of pants that has clearly given up on its original career might make a fantastic bag. A shirt that has not fit in years may finally discover its true calling as home decor. Sometimes I think clothing secretly hopes we will learn to sew so it can apply for a better job. The deeper lesson is that reinvention is not really about fabric. It is about training your brain to notice opportunities instead of limitations. Every project becomes a reminder that things do not have to stay exactly as they are. If you are enjoying these ideas, be sure to like this video and subscribe to MIZ Angela Sawyer for more sewing inspiration, upcycling projects, thrift flip ideas, and creative transformations. I love sharing projects that encourage us to think differently, because creativity grows every time we give it a challenge. The amazing thing is that reinvention does not require expensive materials or a giant craft room. It starts with curiosity and a willingness to experiment. Once you begin looking at old clothes through that lens, the entire closet starts feeling less like storage and more like a collection of future possibilities waiting for their moment. The reinvention habit also changes the way we approach mistakes. In sewing, things do not always go according to plan. Measurements drift, seams wander, and occasionally a project decides it has its own opinions. Yet some of the most interesting creations come from unexpected detours. That is why I encourage people to keep exploring and trying new ideas. Every garment teaches something useful, even if the lesson is simply what not to do next time. The beauty of upcycling is that progress matters more than perfection. When you transform old clothing into something useful, you are proving that creativity can add value where others see none. That mindset can spill into other areas of life as well. You start looking for solutions instead of dead ends. You begin noticing potential instead of flaws. If you would like to build your skills, check out the tutorial videos linked below along with my other sewing and upcycling videos for even more inspiration. I have also included helpful products in the description, including sewing machines, sewing machine needles, and other supplies that many viewers find useful when working on projects like these. The more you practice reinvention, the easier it becomes to spot opportunities hiding in plain sight. Suddenly, thrift stores feel like treasure hunts, and forgotten corners of the closet feel like creative gold mines. That is why I think the reinvention habit is one of the most valuable skills a maker can develop. It encourages confidence, imagination, and resourcefulness all at the same time. Before you go, be sure to check out the next video on your screen for more sewing and upcycling inspiration, and I will see you there. Every project is another chance to create something surprising, useful, and uniquely your own. One reason I enjoy sharing these projects is that they remind us creativity is a skill that grows through use. The more often you reinvent something ordinary, the easier it becomes to imagine extraordinary outcomes.